Here are 10 products that you can buy on Alibaba and start selling on both Amazon and Takealot. These are the products that I have done my thorough research and have found that you're going to be sourcing these products cheaply, yet they have high profit margins. And don't complain about shipping costs or importing costs, because looking at the first product, this is the product that you're going to be sourcing for something like 0.05 cents to 0.08 cents. And looking at the selling price in South Africa, it's about $4, between 4 to 5 US dollars, which is between 80 to 120 rands. So if you are buying something for 0.05 cents and selling it for 120 rands, you can also cover your shipping costs and still make profit, because that's what we all do as we import. If you are still buying products or looking at the product and comparing your shipping costs but you don't make profit, maybe this business is just not for you, because you are not able to calculate all your costs and still make profit. Moving to the next product. This is organizing tools or organizing equipment. It could be something from pantry organizing to wardrobe organizing. So these are all the products that you can find over here. Let's start with these first ones over here, which is around 79 to 99 cents US dollars too. Also, we have something about $1.35 over here. So it's going to depend on the compartments of the product and also the design and the fabric and the quality, you name it. So looking at all these products, we also have something for all personal care products, and we have for fridge, and these are all the products that you can think of buying under storage. And again, looking at the price or the cost of your product, or each and every product is going to be 20 cents, 25 cents, 66 cents. We also have something over here for $1.50. And when you look at these products, each and every product that I'm showing you over here, do your own homework and go and search at each and every product selling price in any marketplace or in any Shopify store, and you're gonna see that if you buy this for $1.50, you are able to sell this for $8, meaning that the price in between, or the difference, is your profit and also the other miscellaneous costs. So that's going to be our second product. Moving to the third product, which is also a product that I spoke about in my last video, notebooks. This is the right time or the right season, but still, even in the middle of the year, we do run out of these and still buy, especially if they're not maybe planners, they're just plain notebooks. Like this one over here for 28 cents. This is something that you can buy for 28 cents and start selling. You can test just 20 products to start. You don't need a lot of money to do that. So you don't have an excuse to say, I don't have money to start a business, because this is the cost of your product. And then when you include your shipping, a couple of thousands can do. So all these different designs have different prices, and also the number of pages and also the quality maybe of the cover is gonna make the prices maybe go higher if it's a good quality. But look at this, 28 cents, 32 cents, 72 and 35. Now just once, I'm gonna show you the selling price of this book. Let's go over to Google and search for notebooks. Look at the selling price, $2.95. So that's the selling price, meaning that if you're buying at this price, you're going to be able to make profit. Let's move to the next product. These are disposable tableware. These are the tableware that sometimes people use when they are hosting parties or event organizers or planners. They do buy these from people like you who are going to be selling these in marketplaces or in your own shop if you want. So these are the products that are from 70 cents, 0.03 cents, 62 cents, and going down, looking at all of these, 22 cents, 0.04 cents, because this one, it looks like plastic. So the quality again is gonna also differ, and also the prices. But when you buy on Alibaba, all these prices that you see, like the difference over here, 24 cents and 22 cents, is gonna differ also according to the quantity that you're buying. As you're starting, you're gonna pay something closer or even more than these 24 cents because you're buying just a small quantity. But as time goes, you can even pay less than 22 cents because you're gonna be buying then in bulks. So that was another product. Moving to the next product, which is mouse pads. These mouse pads now have different designs. Usually we know mouse pads like this ones over here, the gray one, which is very plain, but we can have mouse pads like these ones over here, which have designs, and this is around 45 cents. That's the price. But if you want something like 3D for your customers, that's going to be costly, like this one over here. But because not many sellers are selling the 3D designs, you're going to be the only one that stands out. It means you also have a chance to set your prices according to your own liking, because you're the first one to sell it, you are the first one to grab the first reviews, and then you're building your reputation. When other sellers come after you, already you have enough reviews. You can even set your prices higher than all the sellers because you've been selling for ages. So that's the good thing about selling a unique product. These are all the designs that you can go through and choose whichever you want. The next product is bamboo utensils or wooden utensils. These are the products that people really are into right now. And the good thing about Alibaba is that if there is a product and that product is trending maybe on a different marketplace, it's gonna just show here at the bottom that this product is doing well maybe on Amazon. It's not available on the other marketplace. You can also stock it up or buy it to sell in your new marketplace or the marketplace that you're going to be selling on. So these are all types of bamboo utensils that you can find. The price is about 43 cents, $1, $2, depending on the number of sets, the size, the quality, and also the quantity that you're going to be buying. So these are all the utensils, but I would buy this. And the next product is phone holders for cars. This is the product that I'm talking about over here. The price is 80 cents, 60 cents, $2. So when you see prices like this or the huge difference, that's because of the product quality and also the design and also what it does. As you can see, this one over here, it doesn't have these two things on the sides where you pull. Sometimes they even grab a finger if the quality is not that good. And if you choose to go for a product like this one over here, because it's a little bit higher in price, you can search and see if there's any other seller selling this, and you stand a very good chance if there's no one or not a lot of people selling these products or this phone holder. And you can set your price however you want, but please don't overcharge people because you're the only one that's selling that. But here is the one that I love the most. This is magnetic, meaning that looking at these two things, I don't know what to call them, and having to pull them while you're driving or maybe you're busy in your car, it's better to have something that you just place the phone even while you're looking away or while you're driving. So this is much easier. But I know some of these you don't have to pull, you just place your phone and then it's gonna open and just grab the phone. But this one is very much user friendly. I would prefer this. If you can sell something like this, most people will surely buy this product. The next product is grooming tools. When we speak about grooming tools, we can talk about grooming tools for pets, which can be cats and dogs. Grooming tools for people, like when people want to treat their hair, treat their nails. So those are the products that we are looking into right now. So for pets, as you can see, they also want to be pampered. So this is what's happening over here. And also we have these products, 75 cents, 58 cents, 50 cents, 0.07 cents. And here I've given you many categories because we've got pets, we also have personal care, and we also have maybe some tools. I don't know right now which tool this is going to fall under. So you just come to this page of grooming tools and you choose the tools you want to start with. And now let's move to the next product, which is reusable bags. Reusable bags could be shopping bags and also picnic bags that are reusable and easy to use. Look at the price over here, 0.08 cents to 22 cents, 0.22 cents. We have $3. This one is very much high end, as you can see even by just simply looking at the design. And you can also sell reusable bags for pantry, for fridge. So it doesn't only have to be reusable bags for shopping. So you can have bags like these ones to store maybe used food or leftovers for pantry or also for fridges, which is a very good product. This is the product similar to what I started with, and I was buying this product for about 0.8 12 cents when I started, and this was my first breakthrough. So you can start with products like this, products that looks simple, and maybe you don't even think that they're gonna be your breakthrough, or they're gonna be the product that is making your business grow, yet they do. And the last product is sunglasses. If you know you have a very good eye when it comes to what's trending, or the best looking sunglasses, or even prescription glasses, because most of these suppliers are also selling both prescription and sunglasses. So you can choose any design you want over here, and if you know something like this I would love, and you know what people are really looking for, you are in it for the best business ever this year. So you can start this now and buy these sunglasses. And the good thing about the sunglasses, even though they're not going to be 0.05 cents, you can buy these for the prices that are over here, but you brand them and sell them for about 400 rands, 500 rands, $40 upwards, because it's gonna be your own brand, but also putting in your own logos comes at a cost. So just bear in mind when it comes to that, or producing your own product. But this is a good business, even though it's common. What's not common is what you choose over here, or the glasses, or the type of glasses that you choose. So you can buy sunglasses at all these prices and start your own business today. Thank you so much for watching up to here. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.